Whether you're getting a regular Suica or a name-inscribed Suica, this is one of the machines where you can obtain it and even top up your balance. The following steps will guide you through obtaining your new name-inscribed Suica card, which requires some personal details, including a phone number. As for why you might want to choose a name-inscribed Suica over a regular one, we'll dive into that later in the video. 1. Find the right machine. Look for an IC card charge machine that supports Suica purchases. In my case, this is the machine I'm using for this video. 2. Select language. Choose your preferred language for ease of navigation. 3. Choose your Suica type. Select Purchase New Suica, Name-Inscribed Suica option. 4. Confirm your selection. Choose the Name-Inscribed Suica option again. 5. Read the terms. Carefully review the Personal Information Management Policy. If you agree, select Agree to proceed. 6. Enter your details. Input your first and last name, select your gender, and enter your date of birth. 7. Provide your phone number. Enter your mobile number. If your number isn't accepted like my case here, where you can't even select the Confirm button, try adding your country code first. Example in my case, for Singapore, I enter the country code with the 8-digit number to make it 10 digits. 8. Confirm your information. Check the details you entered, and if everything is correct, select OK. 9. Choose your initial top-up. Select the amount you'd like to load onto your new Suica card. 10. Make payment. Insert cash or use your credit debit card to complete the transaction. 11. Receive your Suica. The machine will process your request and issue your new name-inscribed Suica card. And there you have it, your personalized Suica card, ready to use for transport, dining, and shopping across Japan. With the regular Suica card returning on March 1st, you might be wondering, who should still consider getting a name-inscribed Suica card? 1. Frequent Japan travelers. If you visit Japan often and tend to load large amounts for transportation, food, and shopping, this card is a safer option. If lost, JR East can contact you via the phone number registered. 2. Personalized for groups and families. Great for travelers who want to distinguish their cards, making it easier to identify each person's Suica when traveling in a group or with family. 3. For Android users without mobile Suica. Since some Android devices don't support mobile Suica, this physical card becomes a practical alternative. 4. In case of future shortages, if regular Suica cards run out again due to chip supply issues, the name-inscribed Suica might be the only available option, ensuring you can still get a card when needed. If any of these apply to you, a name-inscribed Suica might be the better choice. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope this video helps you get your Suica card more easier and safe travels.